Hello and welcome back to Alyena's kitchen. I'm actually not in my kitchen today. I'm on beautiful Big Bear Lake and I am craving a cocktail. So we are going to be making a delicious strawberry mojito. So let's get started. The first thing you are going to want to do is muddle together a few of your ingredients. And wow, it is rocky today on the boat.
Not really.
The first thing you are going to want to do is muddle together a few ingredients. I have about 4 fresh strawberries that are going into my glass. You can also use frozen. I find it a little bit easier to muddle them if they are fresh. And I'm also going to be adding in some fresh mint, and you can use anywhere from 10 to 15 leaves of mint. I always think more mint the better, so I add in a lot. Along with the juice of 1 lime. This is my arm workout of the day, squeezing this lime in here. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm excited. I love having fresh cocktails with fresh fruit and herbs. I just think it's so much better than store-bought stuff. And now we can muddle together our ingredients. I have filled my cocktail shaker up with some ice, and I can transfer my mashed mixture into it. Next, I'm going to add in my mint simple syrup, and this is absolutely delicious and it's really simple to make. You just take 1 part water, 1 part sugar. I used half a cup of water, half a cup of sugar, and boiled it down and added some fresh mint to it, or simmered it down until the sugar was completely dissolved. And now if you smell it, you have that great minty smell and flavor, which I absolutely love. And you can add in 1 to 1.5 ounces to your drink depending on how sweet you like it. I like to start with adding in 1 ounce and then tasting it. All right. And next, you can't have a cocktail without the booze. So I have some white rum and I'm going to add in 2 ounces of white rum. But if you're making this a mocktail, skip this step. 1. Ooh, this looks good. So now we can just shake our cocktail all together. Don't forget to put the lid on top. That would be a mess. And here we go. Okay, and now we can pour our mojito in. And I like to strain my mojito because I don't like all the pulp, but if you want a pulpy drink, then go for it. And now I like to top my mojito with some club soda. On me as well, it seems. Let's try this again. Guess it didn't like the boating activity. And now we can top our drink with some club soda, and I'll try not to have it explode on me. Ooh, that looks so good. I love a little bubble in my drink. And you know what, I was a little hot, so I'm cooled down now. And we can just stir this all together. Give it a little taste. Ooh, that's good. And I always like to top my drinks with a little bit of garnish. So for that, I'm going to add a fresh strawberry. I didn't have it out, so we're winging it. A little bit of a strawberry on the side, along with a sprig of fresh mint. All my mint is looking a little bit sad though, because it's such a hot day. Here's my straw. Look at us. I feel like whenever I do travel videos, there's a lot of winging it to it. But now the best part, getting to taste our homemade cocktail. Wow, that is so delicious. It's so light, so refreshing. I'm honestly absolutely obsessed with this drink. It's one of my favorite mojitos. So please let me know if you try this drink and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see a few of my other mojitos, there should be a playlist right over here, along with my other traveling cocktail videos. And I have videos in Maui, Bahamas, Malibu, and now Big Bear and Lake Arrowhead. So there should be a playlist right here, over here, of all my recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers! And I really want to say a special thank you to the helpful and friendly staff at Big Bear Marina for making our day so fun and special.